Hey guys, Joseph from Magic Touch. Here we have an Oki 8432 white toner printer. Congratulations on your purchase. We're going to show you how to unpack the Oki, remove all the tapes, the orange tabs, install the Oki drivers, and install the space control software. So from start to finish, we're going to show you, you bought an Oki 8432, we're going to show you how to unpack it, how to take all the tapes off, how to install the drivers, how to install our drivers, print and press. So first, here's your box. Now what's great about the Oki 8432 is you can either cut here with the tape, or these handles actually pop off. There's 4 of them on each side. They're pretty much securely in there, so make sure you take them right off. Now what's great is this box, you can reuse it, just basically flips right up. Now once you lift it up, there's your Oki 84 white toner printer. Now, the way Oki's installed these is, here's your set of toners right here. We're gonna take this off, put it off to the side. Now Oki gives you a power cord. Now remember, Oki doesn't give you a USB cord. You have to buy a USB printer to cable. Cable is right here. This is what it looks like. A USB port connected to your desktop or laptop, and the printer port connected to the printer. But you have to buy this. You can buy it off Amazon, any local store, they all carry it. Oki does not provide it. They provide you with the power cord and a manual and the Oki 8432 drivers. Okay, we're gonna put this aside. Next, we're gonna lift this up. Put this off to the side. Next, we're going to get a knife, and then scissors or a knife, and just cut right there. Next, what we want to do is lift the printer up. Thank you to my lovely assistant. Remove all the styrofoam packaging. And so this is your Oki 8432 printer. Now, how to open the Oki 8432 is right here. You have a little knob on the right-hand side. You just push it down. And then you have a little button right here that you're gonna push up. Now, as you can see, you have all your toners set up in here, okay? So, what you wanna do is, you wanna remove a toner. So we'll remove one of these toners right off the bat, and they're all marked. Magenta, cyan, yellow, white, so you're gonna know right away. Each of the drums have their own white, magenta, yellow, cyan. You put the corresponding toner with the drum. So for instance, we're gonna show you how to do one of them. So here's your magenta drum. You just take the drum out, just like this. You have orange tape all the side. There is tape right here that you take off, just like this. And as you can see, there's an arrow. And all you have to do is pull it up, and you remove the tape. Next, you have the orange protectors. You're just going to, there's a tab right here. You push the tab in, and you lift up. As you can see, the magenta drum has toner already inside in it, so don't worry about it. Next, we have our magenta toner. Remember, corresponding toner goes with the drum. So here's the magenta toner. Take it off. Each toner has security tape on it, as you can see right here. All you do is remove the tape, like so, just like that. Then, you're gonna notice a hole right there where the toner is, and the hole where the drum is. You just put it inside the hole, like so. Give me 1 second. put it in just like this. You see how it slides right in? Just like that. And you notice how there's a lock and unlock. You want to make sure then you lock the toners right in. That ensures that the toner won't go anywhere. And then you just put the drum, slide back in, and you're set. You want to do this with all four of the cyan, magenta, yellow, and white. This is the lifeblood of your printer. It's your fuser. Lock and unlock. You want to unlock it. If you want to lift it up, there's no tabs here, so you don't have to worry about this, but just in case you want to remove it, that's how you lift it up. You unlock it. Now, to put it back in, you don't want it to jam. You put it just like this. You put it in the lock mode, unlock it to put it, slide it in, and then lock it again, okay? So that's how it is to unwrap the Oki 8432 white toner printer. Next, we're going to show you how to plug it in and install the Oki drivers.